This mini training deals with installing UserScripts into the Greasemonkey add-on for Firefox. A previous training dealt with adding the Greasemonkey add-on. If you haven't done that yet, you'll need to do that before you start this training. To add our UserScript, what you need to do is go to www.userscripts.org. And if you want to search it, then you want to go do /scripts. And once I get there, I'll explain how to search. There we have this particular part, and one nice thing is you can search the scripts. You can say, I want scripts that deal with Google search. That should be coming up soon. Alright, remove Google Redirect, Google Search UI Fixer. Gives a whole bunch of different options. You can remove things, change how things show up. What I promised in the video title, this particular training should go over a specific user script. And to save on time, what I've done is gone to the user script. So let me go to one of these user scripts and show you how it works. And then we'll move on to putting Twitter into your Google searches, which Google used to do and may again do. You'll see this one's not all in English. That doesn't matter so much because you can install the script anyway. So if you scroll slightly this way, if you have a small window, if you have a larger window, it'll just be there. What you're looking for is this install button that I've got the pointer on. The install button does just that. It installs the Greasemonkey user script, in this case a Google one. And that's the basics. Let me show you how it works with this user script. And if you want, I'll pause briefly here. It's called Twitter search results on Google, and it is a user script for Greasemonkey. This is a picture of the man who made it. And again, if we scroll just a bit, it shows us what it'll look like when we're finished. Okay, but to go up to the top here and scroll over just a bit, what you'll see is the install button. If you're confused, you can see how you use it. I say click it and see what happens. Now you'll notice it brings this up. You just have to wait the 3 seconds, click on install, and it should say Twitter search results on Google installed successfully. You don't see that in this window because of how I'm recording this video, but it is down at the bottom right of your screen. If something were to go wrong, it would tell you in a little window as well. Now that it's been installed, I think I'm going to try it out. I'm going to go up to my Google search bar here. I'm going to type in, let's try Salt Lake City Public Library, or Salt Lake City Public, because I know that's something they're probably going to have quite a bit on Twitter because of the meeting they had recently. When I search, bingo, it brings up all of the search results. I think the top 10 search results is what's supposed to come up, and it gives you so many options. You can look up and see I'm at Mac Cools, Salt Lake City Public Library, apparently Creepy Pigeons, Voice Recital. All of those have to do with the Salt Lake City Public Library. If I wanted to be more specific, I might have put library at the end. And also, if you click on this link, it will take you to Twitter and the search results for what you've typed in. So, kind of interesting, and you can get more than just the top 10. So, that's really a pretty easy, it's an easy thing to use once you've installed it. Feel free to search for other user scripts that are even more, or at least as useful as this one. Please move on to the next training.